Tiki ask Dale. I was near. And then I shall move the shape. You can send the voice note. Hey, BJB Films. This is Queen Tatelicious, one of the top socialites in Zimbabwe. I was not happy with the post you posted about my fellow Zimbabwean socialites, my Titi. There are other ways you can resolve your issues, not putting laundry in public. That's not professionalism. Why did you go to the extent of trying to embarrass my Titi on your page? Do you think Zimbabweans will turn against my Titi? For your own information, if we have fights in Zimbabwe, we do our fights alone. But if we are attacked with an outsider, we stand as a country. So this is wrong, BJ. This is wrong. Please, if you can, wrong, BJ. This is wrong. Please, if you can, delete that post. Because we are coming for you. We are coming for you in numbers. We are... BJ, you know me. You know me. We are coming for you. I think we'll send it. Nonsense, guy. Your maga. Stand with my Titi.
This is Queen Tatelicious, one of the top socialites. But I was not happy with the post you posted about my fellow Zimbabwean socialites, my Titi. There are other ways you can resolve your issues. Not putting the laundry in public. That's not professionalism. Why did you go to the extent of trying to embarrass my Titi on your page? Do you think Zimbabweans will turn against my Titi? For your own information, if we have fights in Zimbabwe, we do our fight alone. But if